Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on your Dodge Charger SXT. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 7 quarts of new engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and a filter wrench. Always make sure your car is cool and parked on a flat, stable surface. Safety first, so use jack stands if you're lifting the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly under the oil pan's drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly once the plug is removed. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This step removes all the old, dirty oil, making way for fresh lubrication. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and add fresh oil. First, remove the old oil filter using a filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, pour approximately 7 quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the engine's fill port. You're almost done. Replace the oil drain plug and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 25 foot-pounds. Securely replace the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Finally, turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes, and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.